Importing accounting information to your inventory pages is a great way to keep your active inventory up to date. To import your accounting information to the inventory pages, go to the Inventory tab. Then, choose either FBA or Merchant. Click the 3 stacked dots in the top right and select Export Inventory Data. Open the downloaded file. Update the cost per unit, supplier, and date purchase fields. You can also add tags and lead times. Remember, you can import up to 2,000 MSKUs at once. Do not include $signs in the cost fields. Dates must be in month, day, year format. Importing tags or lead times will overwrite existing ones. Back in InventoryLab, click the 3 stacked dots again and choose Import Inventory Data. Click Browse to select your updated file. Then click Validate. On the next screen, match the columns in your file to the appropriate fields. Required fields are marked in red. When ready, click Process File. Review the validation screen. If an MSKU is ready to import, you'll see Review Complete in green. If there is an issue, follow the prompts in the Actions column to fix or skip the item. When all issues are resolved, click Complete Review. Confirm your changes and click to apply them. You'll receive an Import Success message. Changes can take up to 20 minutes to appear. And that's how you import accounting info into your inventory pages. Thanks for watching.